So this is fantastic. It's full of flavor. I mean, really got some incredible aromatics happening in there. We've got chicken, we've got coconut, we've got ginger, we've got garlic, we've got curry leaves. We've just got lovely, lovely flavors. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got here 1 kg of chicken. This is a bone-in chicken, skin is off. 1 kg is 2.2 pound. Coconut milk, there's 400 ml there. 1 cup of onion, I'm using white onion. White onion's a bit better for this one. It's cut quite small, but we're gonna do a little process in a minute to get it smaller. I've got here about 15 or a dozen fresh curry leaves. Fresh chilli, just cut nice and thin, lengthways. Tablespoon of garlic. And then in there I've got 1 inch or 2 of cinnamon, 5 cloves, and 5 green cardamons. We're going to be adding some salt and some pepper, and we're going to start this off with some oil. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to get our onion and our garlic with a tiny amount of water. I mean, like a couple of tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons max of water. We're going to get it into a blender and just make it a little bit smoother than it is now. So you don't have to go crazy and get it into an actual paste, but just a little bit smaller than it was. So in the pan there, I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use a different oil if you want. To me, I'm using sunflower. Coconut might be nice. We're going to start off by dropping in cinnamon, cloves, and the green cardamom pods. A few black peppercorns in here is also quite nice. We're then going to add in the fresh chili and the fresh curry leaves. And to that we're going to add the onions and garlic that we've just minced up, and we're going to cook that for about 4 minutes or so. There's a little bit of moisture in here, so it might be a bit noisy, so I'll see you then. We're on an above medium heat. So now we're going to go in with our chicken, which is 1 kg, 2.2 pound. Skin's been taken off. Bone is in, cut into small pieces. To that we're going to add salt and black pepper. And we're going to be quite generous with the black pepper. So staying on this above medium heat, we're going to go for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring every now and then. We're well on our way. This is a really simple, beautiful chicken stew. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add some water. I think that's like 2 cups of water roughly. Stay on this heat, let it go for about another 5 or 6 minutes. If it gets too dry or if it evaporates out, just top it up a little bit. But yeah, I'll see you then. So I haven't added any more water, but it has evaporated out, as you can see there. Simply, we're now going to add our coconut milk, 400 ml. In that goes. Give that a little stir. Now what we're going to do is get the heat on to a simmer, really nice and low. Get a lid on this. We're going to let it go for about, I would say about 8 minutes. So I've just taken the lid off. I'm turning off the heat, and you can see that that is really beautiful. Check the salt level. It's perfect for me. Now, what I like to do is add a few more curry leaves just in at the end. Some cilantro or coriander, fresh. And one more thing is I'm going to be adding some ginger. Cut nice and small, nice thin strips. Little stir. And that is beautiful. Really, really nice and easy, full of beautiful aromatics. And there you go, delightful. Coconut, chicken, fantastic aromas, lovely aromatics in there, really delicious. Not spicy, apart from that little bit of chili we added. That's really good. I love that one. Hope you enjoy that. Please do subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, hit the bell thing, leave us a comment, blah, 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 all that stuff. See you later.